In this video, I'll show you how to enable the NVIDIA DLSS on your PC. Now, before you can do that, you have to know if your graphics card supports the NVIDIA DLSS feature. Now, to do this, all you have to do is open the NVIDIA app and check which graphics card you currently have on your PC if you don't know. So in the NVIDIA app, simply click on My System or System and then choose My Rig. Now from here, simply scroll down and find the graphics card and display section and see if your NVIDIA card supports the DLSS feature. Now keep in mind, only the RTX graphics card supports this feature. So once you have ensured that, the next thing you need to do is go to any browser and go to the website that can see a list of all the games that supports the DLSS feature. So you can go to this website, I'll link it in the description below. And then you can scroll through, or rather you can scroll down until you get to this section and you should see a list of all the games that support the DLSS feature. Now once you have confirmed that, you can simply launch your game and you can enable DLSS from the game in-game settings. Now once you launch any game, you can access the game settings by going to the settings, and then within the game settings you should find the anti-aliasing and super resolution type, or it might be a different setting on the other games. So for this one, it's this particular setting, and you should see the option NVIDIA DLSS. You can enable it from here. So that's basically it on how to enable this feature on your laptop. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.